You've probably noticed the rise of animated characters on YouTube recently. It's become quite popular, even among big YouTubers. What's great is that these animations are often created using AI. If you're interested in making similar animations for your YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram videos, then this video is for you. Stick around till the end, and I'll show you how to easily create these animations using a new AI tool that's free to use. To start off, we need a character. There are plenty of free AI image generation tools available. Search for Lexica and look for a male or female anime character sitting at a table and facing forward. I'll search for a boy anime character. You'll see many options. Choose your favorite carefully. Now, let's find a background. Search for Anime Studio. Look for a room with vibrant colors to catch attention. Take your time and select the one you like best. Next, we'll remove the background from the character image. We'll use a background remover for this. It's a free website. You can use it without registering, but the quality will be lower. Once you upload the image, the site will process it. Download it to your computer once it's done. Now let's move on to image editing. We'll use Photoshop for this. You can find tutorials on how to download Photoshop for free. Choose a resolution of 1280x720. Transfer the background and your character to Photoshop. Now let's add some details like a table, monitor, microphone, etc. You can find many tutorials on how to do this for free. In the description, I'll include some PNG format images so you don't need to search. I'll include a table initially since it has a white background. I'll use a tool to remove it. Then, we'll add the microphone and remove its white background. You can add whatever you prefer. I'll simply add the monitor. Make sure the microphone and monitor are realistically sized compared to the character. Next, you can change the color of the background using Camera Raw filter. You can follow my color grading settings, but it's up to you. If you want to change for your own unique settings, at this moment, I will use a timestamp tool to remove the mouth of the anime character, so that we can add a green screen animation to add mouth animation using green screen template in YouTube. Once you're done, export the image in JPG format. For the final step, we'll use CAPCUT, a popular and widely used free program for video editing. Open CAPCUT, press Modify, and set the ratio to 169. Drag the edited image into the timeline. And in the file described in the profile, you will get a video like this. As you can see, it's a mouth animation saying something. You just need to remove the GRE background. Click on that layer. Choose Video Cutout Chroma Key, Color Picker, and click on the green background. Increase the strength and shadow to the maximum. Now we need to position these mouths on the character's mouth for a better experience. You can add effects in the effects section. You have many effects to choose from. I'll add some effect, and with that I would finish this. Finally press export, and you have completed your animation. Thank you for watching this short tutorial. Don't forget to like the video and follow me. See you in the next clip. To wrap up, simply click on export and your animation is finished. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.